So, you've placed a limit order on Newton, and now you're second guessing it. Maybe the market's moved, or you simply changed your mind. Whatever the reason, you want to cancel that order. But where do you start? How do you navigate the Newton platform to get rid of that pesky limit order? Don't worry, you're not alone. Thousands of people find themselves in this situation every day. And that's exactly why we're here today. Let's dive into the world of Newton limit orders and learn how to cancel them without breaking a sweat. First things first, let's quickly recap what a limit order actually is. It's basically a request to buy or sell a cryptocurrency at a specific price or better. You're setting a limit, hence the name. If the market price reaches your limit, your order gets executed. But if the price doesn't hit your target, your order sits there, patiently waiting until either the market catches up or you decide to cancel it. Now, let's talk about why you might want to cancel a limit order. Maybe the market is moving faster than you anticipated, and your limit price is no longer realistic. Or perhaps you've done your research and decided to invest in a different coin altogether. Whatever the reason, it's important to know how to cancel your order quickly and efficiently. So, how do you actually go about canceling a limit order on Newton? It's actually pretty straightforward. First, you'll need to log into your Newton account. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your open orders. This is where you'll find the limit order you want to cancel. To cancel it, simply click on the Cancel button next to the order. That's it. Your order is now canceled. But what if you have multiple limit orders and you want to cancel them all at once? Newton has you covered. There's usually an option to cancel all open orders. Look for a button or link that says Cancel All Orders or something similar. Click on that, and all your open limit orders will be canceled instantly. However, it's important to note that canceling a limit order isn't always without consequences. If the market price has moved significantly since you placed your order, you might miss out on a good deal or end up paying more than you wanted to. That's why it's crucial to weigh the pros and cons before hitting that cancel button. Also, keep in mind that Newton might have some limitations or restrictions on canceling limit orders. For example, there might be a time limit after which you can't cancel an order. It's always a good idea to check Newton's Help Center or support for the most up-to-date information. So, there you have it. Canceling a limit order on Newton is a fairly simple process. But it's essential to understand the implications before taking action. Remember, the cryptocurrency market is volatile, and things can change rapidly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.